Something I didn't know before I bought the company, but I've come to learn, especially about the industry as a whole, is there are not a lot of young, energetic owners or people trying to grow businesses in this space. So first and foremost, it's just effort. We care deeply about our customers and the work that we do, and we're passionate about the work that we do. And that shows in what we deliver to our customers. I think that another big differentiator for us as a company, and as we're considering our competitors, is just the way that we handle customer service. And so machining is a very complicated task, and there are oftentimes unforecasted complications that arise in the process as you're producing something new, especially that you've never done before. And what that means is that often machine shops get absorbed in trying to solve those problems and completely forget to tell their customer that they're going to be late on a delivery. And so for us, we really prioritize giving advance notice if something unexpected comes up and we're not able to meet a delivery date. Giving that advance notice and working with the customer to make sure that our priorities are where they want them to be is really pivotal to our success.